let's do one thing. Let's give you some more trading ideas from our Super 6 guys, and we will come back with more on Emphasis.
We have been a bit on Jet Airways, not only with a near-term view but also with a medium-term perspective. The stock has already undergone a strong corrective phase. It has corrected from its higher levels of 750, 800, and since last few weeks it's been consolidating in a narrow range. We have a target of 605 for Jet Airways, and it can be bought by keeping a strict stop loss at 537.
Today's our first call is Oil India. At a lower level of 300, the stock form a double bottom formation and the stock inch up to the level of 322. Oil India is a buy with a price target of 330, maintain a closing basis stop loss of 308.
I have a buy call on Bank of India. Bank of India has reflected near-term strength by giving a high volume recovery in the daily charts. Mechanical indicators on the intraday charts are supporting the move, have signaled a buy. Stock is also close up at the 55-day moving average, indicating its intention to appreciate further from here. One can buy Bank of India at its closing of around 100, stop loss of 97.50, and a target of 105.
Our other call would be to short Yes Bank for a target of 814, stop loss 882. This stock has seen a stupendous rally from its lower levels of 680, 690 in last 4 weeks. Looking at the overbought condition of daily momentum oscillator, we expect profit booking in Yes Bank. Our immediate target would be 814 and stop loss would be 882.
Our second pick is Surya Rosni. On Friday's trading session, the stock gave a breakout of inside bar. So I believe a low of that baby candle, which is 142, one can go long with a price target of 158.
I have a buy call on Jet Airways. Jet has also reflected near-term strength by giving a high volume recovery. The mechanical indicators have turned positive on the daily as well as the intraday charts. The stock is also closed above the 55-day moving average, indicating its intention to appreciate further from here. One can buy Jet Airways at its closing of around 566, stop loss of 562, and target of 574.
Alright, those are some trading ideas, but the news just breaking in right now is that Marble and Blackstone have made an open offer for Emphasis.